It's been an awful year for Apple, at least by the company's high standards. And I have an uninspiring message for the company's fans and investors wondering when Apple's tide will turn. Wait until next year. Apple's revenue has declined for the last 2 quarters and probably will continue to fall for the next 6 months. The last time Apple's sales dropped for 12 months straight was 2001. Mark Zuckerberg was still in high school. Apple's stock has also dropped 26% from an all-time high in February 2015. The company's product wizards are keeping busy, but the next year won't be a blockbuster. The newly updated iPhones Apple will show off at an event on Wednesday, no matter what they're called, will be more like tweaked versions of the iPhone 6s, breaking with Apple's pattern of having significant updates in even-numbered years. Also coming are fresh models of some Mac computers and a second-generation Apple Watch. None of these products will be surprises, but they should help Apple's sales grow again, at least modestly, after this holiday season. The big hopes for a major sales rebound are riding on 2017. Expectations are building that Apple will pull out a dramatically different iPhone a year from now with a new type of super thin screen that could spark a big wave of new iPhone sales. It's been 5 years since Tim Cook took over as Apple's CEO, and the company has become even more financially successful, but it doesn't have a breakout new wow product category under his watch. Wait until next year isn't a great rallying cry, but it's the best Apple can do.